everyone. We're going to show you the RG260 machine and how to laminate the frame onto the LCD for the S7 Edge. So first of all, we have a S7 Edge. It's already got a spot on it and a line. Okay, we're just using this to practice on. So we just show you that it works. Okay, now let's begin. So first of all, very important. Okay, for these two parts to stick together, we need to use original parts. The frame needs to be original. So you can see that the frame is original by looking at these gold things over here. Most of the original ones have this. If it's an aftermarket one, like these ones, they don't really have the gold plates on them. So anyways, the sticker needs to be original, okay? And the back sticker and the glass needs to be original as well. So this particular screen, we pulled off another screen from Samsung. So this is 100% original and it's not refurbished. So when I put these stickers on, okay, what you need to do, after you laid all the stickers on, you gotta get something that's flat and metallic, that's flat, hard object, and you just kind of run it through on top of this like this, so that it sticks down really well. If you just put your finger on like this, it's not strong enough. Okay, you need something that's hard, and you need to really force that sticker to stick down onto the frame. Okay, same with the edges here as well. You need to run your object through here. You can use a flat knife or the back of the knife or something that's flat. Okay, so once you've done all that, okay, top, bottom, and sides, you can begin. Okay, so for this process, we don't actually need any glue involved. Okay, a lot of the people, they use this B7000 glue. Okay, I don't recommend using this. Okay, they get really messy and it's really hard to change anything if you need to pull it apart again. So we stick to original frame stickers, and we're going to use it with this machine. Okay, so right now this machine, RG260, okay, it's set at 120 degrees, and the pressing time is set at 30 seconds. Okay, so right now we have a mold here. Okay, this mold is for the S7 Edge model. We heat it up to 120 degrees. Once it's there, okay, you need to leave this mold there to heat up for approximately 3 minutes. Afterwards, I would put these two together. I would put it onto the mold for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, and then we push it in, and we're gonna start pressing it together for another 30 seconds. So I'll show you what I'm gonna do. So put the flex in first, and then we would lay it down on the top. Make sure it's aligned with the EP scores. You're pulling the flex out because you want to make sure that the flex is not getting stuck. Okay, once everything is aligned and looks good, okay, you lay down the bottom bit along with the button. Okay, so you can see that there is currently a gap there, all along the frame, and it's not fully pressed down yet. Okay, if you leave it like this, okay, it will come off. There is a big gap there. I don't know if you can see it. Come closer to the light, but you can see that there's a gap near the top and on the other side as well. There's a gap down there, right there. Alright, okay, now we're going to press it and let's see the difference. Okay, because the flex is exposed, you want to keep this down. You don't want to get crushed in the process. So make sure that these flexes are all tucked in nice and close towards the frame, and then we can begin. Okay, so lay this down onto the mold. Leave it there for about approximately 30 seconds. So let's wait for it to heat up. So if the frame doesn't heat up, okay, this process won't work. So you need to let the whole entire frame heat up first, okay, and then you got to press it for another 30 seconds. This mold, it's not screwed down. It's currently just it's just laying there in the middle. It doesn't really matter which position it's in, as long as it's roughly in the middle, that's fine. I believe the bigger models you can screw it down, but these smaller ones, like you know, all these this one's a S8 here that we have, okay, you don't really need to screw it down. Alright, I think it's hot enough. Okay, now let's begin this process. So pretty much just push that in, okay, and then we press these two green buttons on the side. For safety reasons, they made two different green buttons, so you got to press them at the same time. So as it comes down, okay, it will press it for about 30 seconds. It is hot, that's why you got to wear gloves. So let's look at the difference. I don't know if you guys can see this, but there's absolutely no gap whatsoever between the frame and the glass. Same with this as well. No gap whatsoever. Flat.